Hi, I'm Daniel Leveau, the GM for Contracting and Procurement for Shell, Trinidad and Tobago.
I'm Romario, Rajaram, one of the finalists of Explorer Cycle 3.
Romario, you came second today, got so close. Tell me a little bit about it. I mean, what was that process like for you?
So close and so far. I mean, when they called third place, we were holding out hope a little bit, We said, okay, maybe. But when they called second place, I was like, yeah, it's fair because the presentation that came first, they really did put in a lot. They had a strong presentation and a model to show for it.
So Shell's view in this is that everybody's winners, right? So I mean, you guys did a lot of effort from February, you put in a lot of time. Tell me a little bit about your project, your prototype.
Okay, so our project and prototype is called DRAFT, which is an acronym for Directionally Readjusted Airflow Turbine. So what DRAFT is, it captures air that flows in a horizontal direction and directs it vertically down into the turbine itself, generating electricity. If I were to blow into it from here, you would see that it would rotate the blade. So even from any side.
And tell me a little bit about at what point did that become your idea? Was it always the idea from the beginning, or was it something that developed as you went along?
It developed as we went along because we were encouraged to solve a problem locally, within our areas. And initially we were contemplating to go with flooding, but we explored options that weren't as feasible. So then we thought, this is a problem that people facing, high electricity bills. I was like, we could make use of renewable sources of energy for that. And then, the wind is always there, and it just the ideas kept flowing this one idea after the other until we eventually came up with this.
And your prototype looks very well made. So tell me a little bit about how you got to that process for this one today.
Well, that would be all due to the design and the person who 3D printed the model. I have to give credit to them. Yeah, so how we got to there is we actually researched different turbines what is the maximum output we could get out of a turbine, and how is it that we could capitalize on that to apply it here. So what my partner Mark did, he actually went into SolidWorks and came up with the angles because he has a background in physics. So he actually designed the top part of the turbine himself. So
if I ask Mark, what was Romario's strength that you brought to the team, what would he say?
I don't know, I guess moral support. But we both came up with the problems and solutions together, and we did work good, I would say. I mean, it got us a second place.
Maybe one more question on you as a team. Did you know him before? Did you meet him as part of the program? How did that team structure go?
I actually did meet him before in UE. We started knew each other from then. We bonded over common interests. Okay. And then we happened to pair up in the Explorers program, and we worked well together. We got
fantastic. Congratulations, you've done yourself very proud. Shell is very proud of all of you. You're all winners. Well done.
Thank you.